Hey, greetings everybody. We are here today to talk about some advanced skills in using SharePoint. And I have a training document created here. So I'm going to go ahead and post this into the chat for everybody who is here today. And this will be included in the recording when we do it. And the recording of this session will be attached to this document after it is done today. Went back. Our main goal today is to take some of the skills we learned in setting up our basic SharePoint that we are creating for document repositories for our website, to take the basic setup skills and take it a little step further into workflows, so that we can just basically make SharePoint part of our everyday process, that when we are composing and editing and managing documents on our website, we can do that all either if you are comfortable in the browser, keeping it all in the browser. But what we're doing today is also looking at how to implement and organize this in your Windows setup. So if you are using your File Explorer in your desktop apps. The big picture overview is our goal today is to be able to access SharePoint files. And I'm just going to drag this over here, except it's behind my Zoom thing. Come on, there. You access your SharePoint files directly from your File Explorer on your computer, and then being able to edit SharePoint apps, SharePoint documents in desktop apps for your website. So what we have done prior to today, if we go back to our basic setup, is loading here. And a reminder that if you have not requested your SharePoint, I want to visit the site. Thank you. If you have not requested your SharePoint repository for your library, to send an email to website help@librarieswin.org, and we will get you your SharePoint repository set up. So this is what we did back, oh my gosh, all the way back in October now. I will put this into chat. But this is using SharePoint to post website documents. And there are several videos on this, which talks about how to get started with websites, which again involves emailing website help@librarieswin.org and telling us who at your library should have access to that document repository. And then this additional demonstration that we did with a walkthrough with Dresser covers some of what we did today. So it links that initial setup to what we are going to do today. So there's already a bit of a document here. Again, this is all in this using SharePoint to post website documents training. Now today, and right now those are both linked from the What's New page. Today, we are going to talk about some advanced skills. So this is assuming that you already have access to your website repository, which would look something like this. Once you get your own, it will say WVLS or IFLIS or Northern Waters, or eventually it'll say Winding Rivers if you're from Winding Rivers. So to get that set up, it'll say that up here. And then it will also say your library's documents. And this, I'm going to use as the example today. I'm going to use our Blue Pine Library website and the document repository for the Blue Pine Library, which is our test page website. So I'm sitting here and I've got my document repository set up, and I have library board documents, I have policy documents, and I have website post documents. And I have some things in my board document folder. The easiest thing for you to do at this point is to click on one of these documents that you either the template or something there, and begin editing it here in the browser, which is probably what most of you who are working in this are already doing. You can create, and also notice since October, they've actually changed the way SharePoint displays. Now create or upload is over on the right-hand side. And I am not, sure that I haven't gone back to check my screenshots, but before it was over here on the left-hand side. So now if you wanted to create a new document to put in, to create a new, say, board agenda or a document, you would click create or upload here. You can create a folder, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Also, you would have, most of you, or I think everybody has several templates. I haven't added all the templates to this website yet, but you would have a template for library board agenda, for board minute. I think minutes are in there, and there was one other policy document template. You can create your own templates, but those were accessible document templates. So you can create, upload, and then I'm going to skip to the very end because this is something we've already done. Basically, is you right click on it, you click copy link once you've got your document that's ready to go, and then you have this link copied, and you are able at this point to post this document to your website, paste that link onto your website. This is SharePoint Basic. This is what you are probably doing if you are using this and already linking documents to your website. What we are going to learn to do today is to integrate this into our desktop app flow. So if you want to be able to utilize the full featured Word program, close this, and because what I can do here is I can right click on this, open, and I can open an app. And then I can do this in my, I can edit this in my desktop. Again, this is pretty easy from the browser. You can open it in the app. Click allow to open in Word. And open in my other screen. I drag this over here, and now it shows that I am editing this document that is on my SharePoint, but I am doing it here in my desktop version of Word. So side by side, if I were to open this and edit it online, one of the things you're going to notice basically is that the options in the browser are much more limited. And the other thing and the other caveat that I want you to know is that sometimes the display, how the formatting displays in the browser is not accurate to what you would see in the desktop app or what you would see in a final printed document. So one of the things that I do warn people is if you are trying to do something that involves heavy formatting or more picky work, to try to do that in your desktop application. The things you need to know. If you are a user of a more limited desktop or a more limited Microsoft license, specifically the A1 licensing, you are not able to open documents in the desktop app and have it sync back to OneDrive and to SharePoint in the way that we would expect it, or the way other people can. So I think almost everybody who works on websites is generally going to be under the licensing that has full-fledged OneDrive and desktop application use licensing. But since we've changed the licensing model with if you are unable to use some of these features that we also cover later today, it may be because you have a more limited license. If you run into problems, again, send a ticket to website help@librarieswin.org or librarieswin.org, and we can check your licensing and see if we need to upgrade your licensing. You also need to be logged in as the same user that is using that is on SharePoint. This is probably going to not be a thing for most people, but there is a chance that you are signed into your document repository under your own name, and maybe you're working on a computer that is signed in under staff at your library, or there's another account that's conflicting. And so this is the type of thing that you want to do on your own computer where you are logged in as yourself. This is probably not something that you're going to do when you're working at a circulation computer or another computer in your library that might not be fully signed in as yourself. So it really needs to go together with whose account. You have to have the same account in SharePoint logged in, and you have to have that account logged in here. So notice that this one's ebrewster@wvls.org, and ebrewster@wvls.org is the one that is signed in over in my browser. So just note that because weirdness happens that way. I'm going to demonstrate, though, a couple of things. I'm going to demonstrate how to add a shortcut to your file explorer. So one of the things that I would like to be able to do is not have to come to this SharePoint site in my website. I want to be able to just come over here to my file explorer and go at it and not have to open the browser at all. So this is an advanced technique, but this is something that you can do. If you are signed in fully as yourself and you have the right to right to access this document repository, and you are signed in on your computer under the same account, you will see an option when you go back out where you see the three folders here, you will see an option to add shortcut to OneDrive. And if you add this shortcut to OneDrive, it's going to take a second and then it's going to pop up with added one shortcut to my files in OneDrive. You can confirm that this has happened, again, staying entirely in the browser. You can confirm this happened by going up and clicking on the app launcher, this grid up in the upper left-hand corner, and select OneDrive. And mine looks very messy at the moment. I can do this in a cleaner place for another, but I'm going to look at my files. And here I just see it pop up, WVLS library website repository, document repository for this base one website documents. And that is, in your case, you would see, again, IFLIS, Northern Waters, WVLS, and then your library name pop up here. Now, when I come over to my, let me just drag this over. When I come over to mine, and please, this is a little messier because I have two different ones. You want to make sure that you are signed in as on your OneDrive. But then when I open my OneDrive for Lean, Wisconsin, and it's this particular one, I see that now I have my WVLS website document repository for the base one website documents now is synced to my folder, to my file explorer. So just like that, one click, as long as you're actually signed in to OneDrive on your computer, you are signed in on the browser and you are able to access the SharePoint file, and and then as long as you are also signed into your to Office, I now can work entirely out of here, and I never have to go back to, not never, but I rarely will need to go back to the SharePoint folder online. I can click in here again to see that I would have been editing before this Blue Pine Library agenda. This time I'm going to open this document, which is one I haven't opened yet. It's opening in another folder or another window. And now I have another document that was not yet named, but I can go ahead. This was prepped to be a new agenda. Let's say I want to make this the January, I don't remember, I don't know what day, January 2026, 4 p.m. agenda of this. And we're going to approve the December regular meeting minutes from 2025. And our next meeting will be February 20th, 2026. And the time, it'll be 4 p.m. library board meeting room. I'm doing this all here in my desktop app. It's automatically saving. My title is still document, so I want to come up here and change this. But notice it's already got the location here of my document repository. And so I'm going to save this as 01/20/2026 agenda. And it says a docx. It's updated this title. Now, if I come back over to my board documents and I hit refresh, see it has already changed the name in my File Explorer. So that is updated. And then if I were to go back to my website, and I come into my OneDrive and my library board documents, this has synced back. This used to be called Document, and now it is renamed. And if I click on it here, I will see the edits have been made. So January 20th, 2026. And you see that I'm editing, it's showing me that I'm editing it in another window. So it shows that I've already got it open somewhere else. If you have two people at your library, you can simultaneously work on a single document and it will show you who's also in there making changes at the same time. So if you have two users, you can do this. If I go back here, this is my document repository. Again, when I come in here now, I see that exact same change has already been made to my document. So I can edit here in the browser, but by syncing this to my File Explorer, I'm able to make all the changes I need to make right here without having to come back to the browser. A couple other fun notes on this. You can create folders in here. So I can come in here and create new folder. And so this is library photos, maybe. And watch in here. Now I have a folder library photos that has already connected and synced online to our browser. Again, if you have more than one user and you are both signed in, you will see that change. The other really, really nice thing about this, if you have documents, and let's come back here, and I don't know if I have a library board. So now we're going to look at how to link these documents to your website. And again, we covered a little bit of this, but there's some options here and some really nice features of SharePoint. We have library board meeting information. I will, since many of you like to do this on the front end, I'm going to go to build on the front end for our web page. And let that load. Okay, it's been a long time since I've touched this. Like our last, this is the last time we did any of this editing. I'm going to come in here and, oops, notice it's already connected to that meeting agenda. I need to edit this module. There. So we're going to change this to 01/20/2026. This is how we're making our announcement on this page. January. And the time, library board meeting. I'm just going to take this information out because we don't need that one in here. The meeting agenda is actually already linked in this case, but what I did to link it, let's remove the link. Okay, remove the link. So what I'm going to do is come to the meeting agenda. I'm in my browser right now. So if I were in my browser, there's a couple of different ways to do this. I can share the document and I can copy a link to this document and it will cycle What you want to make sure you are seeing is anyone with the link can view. If you do not see that, make sure you open the link settings and select anyone. Share with anyone doesn't require login. If you do not see that, send a help ticket to website help@librarieswin.org. There may be a permission setting that needs adjusting on the back end. If I am in my library board document on the desktop app, I can also share it from here. It's ready to go. I click share from the file. Let me do that slower. File, share, and then copy link. And when I hover over it, you'll see that anyone with the link can view. And then I click on that copy link. It's already been copied, and then I'll be able to paste it on my website. Another way of doing this would be going back to your SharePoint drive into library board documents. You can click the check mark in front of it and click copy link. You can right click on the document and click copy link. Then, if you have it in your File Explorer on your computer, then you can click on Library Board Documents. You see that agenda is there. Right click on it. OneDrive. Oh, and we're not showing. There we go. If it doesn't work, back out, click again. Right click on it, OneDrive, copy link. And again, it's going to bring up that same dialogue. The thing you really want to make sure of is that it says anyone with the link can view. That is the key piece of information for it to work. Now I'm going to come back to my website and I am going to put link, paste my URL into there and save that. And then I'm going to save this. What I want you to see is really interesting and a very helpful feature of SharePoint. First off, let's say I have a January 20th board meeting and I need to add an agenda item that it's already posted, but I have time to amend my agenda and I need to do an amended agenda. I can come in here, save a copy. I'm going to say amended to save it. This will be saving it to the same folder, but if I wanted to make sure, click on More Options. Notice Library Board Documents is selected. So now I have 1/2026 agenda amended. Save that. Now I'm going to do amended. Oops, amended. And I am going to add new business is amended review contract for sidewalk construction or sidewalk repair, let's say. We all know how that works. And depending on how you do your notifications and your settings, you might change some formatting. Again, make sure it stays as an accessible. I have this accessibility good to go down here. So this one is good to go. I have my amended agenda. Now let's say that I need to post this as an amended agenda. Again, if I'm in here, File, Share, or if I'm now back in my board meeting, I can right click, OneDrive, copy link, as anyone with the link can view. Now I'm going to come in here and just say amended meeting agenda. And I have that posted. I believe the link is there. Save this. I'm going to exit the Visual Builder. Oh, it didn't take the link. Okay, do that again. I should probably format it similarly. Let's come in here and actually use the correct editor. Open up the editor. The link in here. Save that. Now it's posted, and I don't know why the formatting in here. Ignore the formatting. We were playing around with things that should be showing up as underlined in blue, but right now we don't have that happening. I'm going to exit Visual Builder. What I want to do is show you then if a visitor comes to your website. I'm going to do this in an incognito tab, so I am not signed in over here. They will click on this as we have done before, and they will see the amended agenda. But what if I realize that the next board meeting is not the 20th of February? It is the 17th of February, let's say. I can go back in here. I open it, my amended agenda. I open it in my desktop app. I change this to February 17th because there was an error. 17th, 2026, 4 p.m. That doesn't need the comma there. And it's auto saving. When I come back here, and I haven't done anything. I haven't copied a link. I haven't touched anything. All I did was make that change right there. Notice right now it says February 20th, 2026. This is the public view. This is, you see there's no editor here. You can only download and have it read to you or print it. I'm going to refresh. And it is updated to February 17th, 2026. So you do not need to save anything. You don't need to copy a link. If you make a change, it is automatically live on your website. One other thing that is really, really nice is for organizational purposes. Notice we've got 2 different years of we've got library board documents, but now we have 2025 and 2026. Let's say I want to get more organized and I want to do a new folder and say 2025 for my library board meetings, and then right click and new folder and 2026. And I want to move these files into these different folders. The great news about SharePoint is that that link that we copied and pasted to our website, oh, this is open and I have to close it. There we go. Just close everything. No, don't save changes. And I can move things around within the File Explorer on my desktop, and they're linked on my website. Is that going to cause problems for people who are trying to access those documents? Well, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to refresh. So if I am a person visiting and I've already moved all of those documents on the back end, and I click on meeting agenda, notice that even though I moved those documents somewhere else within SharePoint, I didn't have to make any changes on my website. I am able to open these same documents just the same way that I was before. The person visiting your website has no idea that you've done any kind of reorganization on the back end. So this gives you a lot of flexibility to take SharePoint documents, to have them on your computer, have them sync automatically to the to SharePoint itself, to have it the link be adaptable, and it's not going to be affected by you reorganizing anything. And when you need to make changes, if you find typos or need to update, say, a policy, you are also able to make those changes and have them go live on your website. I do hear a few of you asking the question, what happens when I update a policy and I wanted to keep a copy of my old policy? You can maintain that a couple different ways, but what is also really nice about this is if we open up, I need to, oh, this is the one I'm trying to refresh, doesn't matter. 2026, and oh, what happened to my, I don't know why it didn't move in here. Oh, because it said it was open. Um, if I need to see something, see what changes happened, similar to on your website where you have the ability to restore versions under File, Version History. You do have the ability to go back and see changes that were made to a previous version. And it says here it was modified and renamed. Here it says it was modified. If I needed to go back to the version that had the date wrong. And if I needed to go back to that, I can click on it, I can view it, I can see what was changed in here. And I also do have the option to download an older version of a document. So it's it is a flexible option rather than maintaining it. Again, this is a policy. This goes back to your policies and how you manage your document retention. But this is a document retention option for being able to recover version histories of documents. So if you wanted to mark a version as being a policy document from 2025 and then you make a change in 2026, you can go back and retrieve that 2025 version if it's been uploaded to SharePoint. And then those changes can be tracked and those revisions can be captured over time. One caveat to the version history, I demonstrated how changes go live to your viewers on your web page immediately. There is a way, and the problem is I haven't made it work yet. So that'll be a training that is coming after I can get the settings right on it. There will be a way to create a draft version. So if you needed to create an agenda and didn't want to publish it yet, or a policy that you didn't want to publish changes to yet, you would be able to work on a draft in the background and then push out policy changes or a draft change. Can't do that yet. It's not working the way it's supposed to. I have a feeling Microsoft changed something in a setting somewhere, and I need to wait until instructions are updated. But that will be coming in the future so that you can even better manage documents online. You'll be able to create a draft of a document, and then when it's ready to go live on your website, publish those changes all at once rather than having every change you make immediately displayed on your website. Let me just go back to, let's see, edit SharePoint and so map or pin. If you need to remove, if you've been working and you've decided on your computer you no longer want to have a link to your SharePoint repository, it is very easy to remove. You simply right click on it, go to the OneDrive, and then you can remove that shortcut. And you may have to wait a couple seconds. The other thing in File Explorer is there is a little refresh, but notice it's disappearing as we speak, and there it's gone. So if you want to add it, you can remove it just as easily. Same thing, you can do that online, where if you have pinned it to your, let me see. If you've pinned it in your OneDrive, sorry, I have to remember where I'm at. Let's go to OneDrive. And so we're going to go back here to our documents. I'm going to add the shortcut back to OneDrive. And then I come to My Files. And the key thing here is to come to My Files. And I see that it's back here. I can also just as easily remove it. I click in front of it. I can remove shortcut here, can right click and I can remove shortcut from the shortcut menu. So again, you can add, you can remove, you can see how that works from there. Let's see. Got a few questions going here today. Let's see. Oh, okay. I didn't see the add shortcut to OneDrive option. You are correct. So Ben is there. You guys are in a kind of a weird, you right now, Menominee and I don't know if Hudson. Yes, Spooner. Oh, okay, Spooner. Well, we'll talk about that. So in order to do this, you have to be in your Microsoft account. And so I will follow up with individual libraries as to how this will work for each of you. There are some differences in Menominee. Right now, MCPL, you are in a transition mode, and Northern Waters libraries, we have kind of a shared tenancy situation. So there's a chance that things won't quite look all of the same. And again, we want to be able to help you use this to its fullest benefit. If this stuff doesn't just appear there for you, there's chances are that there's another setting that we need to deal with directly in your within your drive. Um, Spooner, I do believe, yeah. So Spooner, for example, you might be another one like Menominee where I need to go in and I need to make a specific change to your document library to allow some of these things to happen. Um, what is the advantage to using SharePoint and OneDrive over doing this in Google Docs? Two different reasons for this. Number one is Lean, Wisconsin does not officially support Google Docs. So I just had a situation today. Somebody's locked out of their library's Google account. We don't help with that. Google Docs are set up by your library. They are, if you choose to do that, that's fine to a degree, but we can't help you maintain anything related to your Google account. So I can't help you there. Number two is that Google Docs are not fully, I'm going to refer you back to our training on, let's see if it's still in here. Nope, it is not. So we're going to come to website training, accessibility posts. Google Docs do not meet the same accessibility standards that Microsoft Word documents do. I'm not a promoter of one or the other. It's simply that if you go to the government websites, if you go to any of the accessibility websites, the gold standard for accessibility in documents is simply using Word documents. I agree that there are many advantages to Google Docs. They seem to be more flexible in sharing, but Google has not caught up yet to Microsoft in the accessibility race. If you are going to use Google Docs, please be sure to add the Grackle Google add-on. This is a third-party add-on that you will need to add to Google Docs in order to have the same accessibility accessibility scanning functions and review functions that Microsoft products have natively. And this bit about the Grackle add-on does talk about that. So if you're going to use Google Docs for publishing to your website, the caveats there are you're on your own and we can't promise the same level of native accessibility standards that Microsoft products do. Therefore, we can support you in creating a SharePoint environment, in training on how to make an accessible Microsoft document of some kind. Excel and PowerPoint are not as good as Word, but Word is kind of the gold standard. And we can teach you how to do this on how to add those links to your website and manage that. That's the short answer there. Okay. And again, if you do not have the SharePoint site set up for your library yet, or if you need to add other users to your SharePoint, just let us know. Send a ticket to and I'm going to put this in here because I've said it multiple times, but website help@librarieswin.org. If once you send in a ticket for anything, you or come to the website and click on submit a help ticket on the training page. If you're stuck at any time, that will automatically bring up a compose email to us. Just send us a ticket, send us an email, and this way we can make sure that we get you set up with the way you need to go. And as much as possible, we've got a busy few weeks coming up, but I'm more than happy as much as we can to develop your particular website needs or SharePoint towards your needs. So if we need to look at permissions, if we need to look at linking and making sure you're seeing the right things. Yeah, Ben asked about developments on embedding the contents of a whole SharePoint. Oh, yes, you can to a degree. It's not exactly what you were thinking of, but you do not need to link just individual documents. So in the case of this January agenda link, the other option in here, and I'm just going to do this from the browser, is to take your library board documents and let's say I don't want to have to come in here and add a new document every month. I can create a link, copy link directly to this folder, to the 2026 folder. I can come back to my library meeting page and I can change this entire thing as it loads. So you can link files or folders. Let's say, we're going to say, well, sorry, I need to edit in the editor, otherwise it's just going to be mad at me. So this is the 2026 meeting items. And so I'm just going to say library board meeting items for 2026. And I'm just going to very quickly, I would probably, if I were doing this, dress it up a little bit more. But now I have a link to an entire folder here. I'm going to save that. And then if I bring up again, my incognito browser, I cannot stress this enough, to have a browser that you are not signed into or a web page or a browser tab that you are not signed into for testing anything. This way, this is what the public sees when they come to your website. Now I have 2026 meeting items. Click on the library board meeting items for 2026, and this will bring me to the entire folder directory, and I can see my two agendas in here for, now if I were, how should I do this? Sorry, I've got too many Zoom things in the way. Save. So if I were to create a new, again, I'm going to do this, I'm going to build from template. Because I did have a question about templates in here. Create or upload, and I'm going to create from a template. And so now I can rebuild my library board agenda, and we'll just say this is our February 27th, Tuesday, February 27th or 17th, 2026, 4 p.m. library board agenda. And I'm going to rename this as 02. Actually, what I would do in my own perfect world, but this works because of the folder structure that I've chosen, I would put 2026 first. And then I am going to, I can again see I can choose my locations, and I want to have this in there. Saved here, but I actually want to move this file. Move file. want to move this into 2026. So now I have my new agenda in there. But on my website, if somebody comes to my website now, they will automatically see the February meeting. I never had to add it to the website. I have a link to the folder. Now, all of the documents that are in the folder will just automatically go onto the website. I don't have to go back in and add a new link every single time. So you may want to do like an entire year's board meeting items in a single folder. And when you do that, and again, sorry, I disconnected that folder. When you do that now, every time you add a document to this, it will automatically be on your website. So just a few things, a few tricks. And once we get that publishing thing figured out, that might be even handier because then you'll be able to like draft documents in here. You may actually want to just draft your board documents out here in the main area and then drag it into the 2026 folder when it's ready to be published for your board meeting. A little bit of workflow that you would need to figure out for yourself, but I think that probably will help you get through it a little more easily. As there are more developments and I learn more tools for embedding, one of the things that frustrates me the most is there's really no way to embed like a full PowerPoint to be able to display a PowerPoint live. The best we can do right now is links to individual documents or being able to publish a live directory on the website. There's issues with Microsoft has issues with permissions, and that's another thing about Google is it's not as protected and not as safe, even though it's very convenient to be able to see a full list of documents or a full presentation fully embedded. There are more security risks involved in that on the back end. And so Microsoft has chosen to go down we lock it down and force you to open a link in order to display documents as opposed to being able to have like a live view of the embedding. I still hope, because I know a lot of people clamor for it, I still hope that they come up with ways to do this. But as of now, especially in the way that our business tendencies are set up, that is just not an option as far as security goes. Hey, any other questions today? Just watching the chat. So, to you power users, go forth, play around with this a little bit. Let me know when you get stuck. I can always update trainings once I know what people's pinch points are. If you are a Google Workspace library and need some additional assistance with getting things working, again, send in a ticket. And hopefully this will also help you become a stronger user of your Windows in general. And we may have some more tech trainings on that, just on how to organize documents and find things and save things. Question on when the accessibility plugin is coming. Excellent. Brendan and I are at this moment. First off, we have two major presentations this week. So once we get those presentations out of the way, we have been working on setting up our project management plan for 2026. So I'm hoping by the end of the month we will have a timeline plan for you as far as when this is going to get rolled out. We are also building a lot of new websites for libraries that are finding that accessibility is a good reason for them to join Lean Wisconsin. So Brendan has quite a few new website builds on his table. But as those roll along, the next major thing that I want to do in definitely the first half of the year is to make sure the accessibility checker gets on everybody's website because I want to make sure that we have training time. And actually, first half might actually be optimistic because what is also happening is that as that accessibility checker is being added, Brendan is going through the website and making all of those structural changes at the same time. So it's not just a matter of throwing a plugin in. It's also probably a day's worth of work on everybody's website just to get the structure in place. But as soon as that comes down, I want to make sure that I'm sitting down with you and working with you as a library to make sure that now that your website is up to a standard, everything you do to your website continues to maintain that standard. So the timeline for that will be coming. We are figuring out our project plan as we speak. And I know you guys are super excited and anxious for this, and I'm very happy about that. And now it's just a matter of churning out the work that we figured out how to do in the last year. So. Yeah, just a few things on the plates, but it'll be an exciting year. And I think by this time next year, I'm really interested to see where we're at. And I would love to brag that we will have 140 plus accessible websites ready for the world to take full advantage of. So thanks to all of you. Thanks for your work and willingness to learn. And um, next Oh, on Thursday. This week on Thursday, we're going to go over some Divi tips and tricks and reminders and refreshers. Yes, Trevor, there's an event. Oh, sorry, I never said that. There is an agenda template on your website. If you go to create or upload over here, you should see a template and it would say that board template. As soon as you see that, you just click on that and you have an accessible template right there for you. So I already put those on all the websites that I have established. And every time we get a new SharePoint library, there will be 3 document websites or document templates that are already there. So just click on create or upload and look for template. Okay, yes, lots of catch up to do with everybody. Looking forward to working with you. Website 201 at 1 o'clock on Thursday. Website training on Divi at 2 o'clock on Thursday, and another website 201 next week. Bring your questions, and we'll learn all of this together, and then get the nuts and bolts and actual work done. Great. Thank you, everybody. I'm going to stop this share. I'll stop the recording.